keeps falling on my window glass. Was set for you, nothing lasts. Every drop feels like your name, calling again, 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 I walk alone where we used to talk, silent streets and empty blocks. Your shadow still follows my steps, no respect. I remember how you used to smile, fazendo tudo feel worthwhile. Now those moments hurt my chest, no rest. Oh, messages I never deleted, memories that never faded. I try to move but I go back every track. Maybe love don't stay the same, maybe we just play the game. But your voice still in my mind all the time. Rain on my memory, everything you left in me. Every drop brings back your face in this place. Rain on my memory, I still feel your energy. Even time can't take away what we made. Cold nights sitting by myself, trying to find some mental help, but your name keeps spinning around like a sound. I still wear your hoodie slow just to feel what we both know, that some love don't disappear, it stays near. Friends say I should let it go, as my heart says no. Every part of me still waits for your face. If I saw you one more time, would we still cross that line, or just act like strangers now?